So I'm recording this as well. Okay guys, I'm sharing my screen. Guys, please let me know if you face any disturbance or if you are not able to understand even a kind of small thing, and I'm open to discuss 100 times. Even it's a simple thing, if you unable to understand that, please let me know. Okay guys, today I just want to introduce first the Tableau. So all we know, right, that Tableau is, so why people are looking at Tableau? There is something behind it. Because if you talk about any tool that is, let's say example, SAP Business Intelligence or Business Object or SAP Oracle BI, Cloud BI, or any big tools like ClickView or Spotfire, any tool, it just causing all these tools and becoming number one in visual analytics because of its dedicated team. So I will tell you one fact that last year Tableau got released around 24 versions. When I started with the Tableau around 3 to 4 years back, I used to take around 4 to 5 days to build box plot. There is a chart called box plot. Now it can be done in 2 minutes. And there are few advanced charts like bend force bump charts and funnel charts, control charts. All these charts can be done max within 30 minutes. Besides, other tools takes days together to build those kind of advanced charts. That's the reason Tableau become number one in visual analytics. And visual analytics playing the major role in the industries nowadays. Let's see that. So the first thing is Tableau is a fast analytics and rapid for business intelligence for everyone. And, and Tableau makes rapid for business intelligence software, founded in 2004, headquartered in Seattle, Washington. And it's got recognition by the Gartner as fastest growing business intelligence company in the world, and the big companies, as a clients for this Tableau is Apple, Microsoft, Wells Fargo, Jenga, Bank of America. So we have very big companies, Ferrari. And apart from this, I would like to share here, before going to the number of products that it has, it got across the world as of now 65,000 customers. All are big MNCs. So all it's got huge potential in the market. It's not only acquiring by the big MNC companies, even the small and medium organizations are adopting this tool to give the lot of scope to the data visualization. So before going to its commercial products, it got various commercial products. Let us discuss about these commercial products and what we intend to learn here. See, I'm going to be teach you two versions of Tableau. So one is 8.3. It's a stable version. Everyone using this. And in May we have new version that is called 9.0. From May till now they got released two versions. On 9.0 it is 9.0.1, 9.0.2 also we have right now. So I will train you guys on both Tableau 9.0 and 8.3. 8.3 is stable. End of the day, I will make you able to create this kind of nice dashboards which give a lot of insights to the customer. So that is my target. And here, guys, we have so many, concepts in Tableau. So various products. I will get you trained on two kind of different products in the Tableau itself. Let me give a brief about those products. First, let us know what are the products we have in Tableau. First is Tableau got around 5 various products. So first product is called desktop. And desktop can be classified into two things. One is professional. Another one is personal. So desktop can be classified into two things. So right now what I'm showing you the desktop. What I'm showing you the desktop, and it classified into the two things. One is personal and another one is professional. So professional, which cost around $999. If you talk about the discounts, the price is going to be vary. This is tentative price. So I mean, this is official price that so Tableau gives us. And professional, its cost $1,999. Guys, all the license costs are perpetual licenses. One time, you need not to make payment every year or every month. All are perpetual licenses. So we have to make the payment one time and we can use for lifetime. So okay, so it's all fine about knowing the personal and professional. So why this cost difference between professional and personal? Around $1,000 is the difference, right? So there must be distinct differences. So the difference is not in terms of features, in terms of options. So let's see that what personal can have. So if you remember, any BI tool, any in-memory tool, Tableau is also called in-memory tool. So we will discuss more about in-memory tools in coming session and in-memory concept as well. So when I click on this icon, Tableau icon, so this icon which takes you back to your sheet, or it navigates you to the where you can connect to the various data sources. Here we have a various data sources. One is 2A file, another one is a 2A server. In 8.3, the terminology is different. So we have a terminology class where I can explain you what we call 2A file and 2A server, and what we call the same 2A file and 2A server in 8.3. So we will see the differences comparing 8.3 and 9.0 as well. If you keep 3 years or 4 years experience, they will start asking from the version 7. So even I will teach you the difference between 7 and 8 and 8 to 9. So you need not worry about going back and looking at the differences between 7 and 8. I will give you distinct differences between 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. So now to a file, which helps us to connect the various file structured data. So Excel sheet, Access, statistical file, other files. So we can connect to the any Excel sheet that we want to analyze. Here we got a data stored already. And the second is, these are the servers, various data sources. We call them data sources. Tableau 9.0 got 50 plus data sources to be connected. We can connect to any data source: MySQL, Oracle SBase, Excel, Pivot, and PostgreSQL, Salesforce, SAP HANA, SAP Sybase, Spark, Splunk, Teradata. So we have MarkLogic, MapReduce, Hadoop. So we have so many things to be connected here. And if you not find any database here, you have other databases, ODBC, using which you can connect to the any database. So the difference between personal and professional. Personal can enable us to connect only file databases. You will see 2A server got disabled in personal. Note this difference. So though I will provide you the complete material regarding this. So personal will have only 2A file enabled, and professional desktop can have both connections enabled, 2A file, 2A server. So professional can connect to various data sources to extract information. So that is the difference. That's the reason that cost difference also. Personal cost us 999, professional cost us 1,999. And coming back to this, and the second product we call Tableau server. And the one major thing that we need to remember is Tableau desktop is not secure. So it's for personal and professional. It's like a desktop. You can install on your desktop. You can start working with it. If you want to share any file with your customer, either you can share with two versions. One is TWB or TWBX. Dot TWB dot TWBX. The difference between TWB is nothing but when you click, when you want to save this file, you'll click save. So here you can see the TWBX. If you want to save this file as a Tableau package workbook, or else you can save it's like a Tableau workbook, TWB. So what is the difference between TWB and TWBX? TWBX is a Tableau workbook, packaged workbook. Here you will find that export package workbook. When you click on it, it shows you the TWBX extension. The difference is you're able to see here some view, some chart that we designed here in the sheet. Say example, TWB carries only logic, not data. So left side you will find the data that we got, we got used to design this view. It never carries, TWB never carries this information. It carries the only logic you got used here, bullet chart, to display your data. So this bullet chart is a logic and some are additional calculated fields that you used here. That's it. So that is TWB, and I will show you that how the Tableau, how the people can open this TWB and TWBXs while we are sharing with clients the same output. And the difference between TWBX, TWBX carries both data as well as logic. So when you are sharing a file, if the client does not have a data file, when he click TWBX, it will ask the client to navigate data file to display the view, because if there is no data, the logic or view is not going to be displayed, right? If there is a data, it can extract the data and the view, logic, everything is going to be displayed. So here a TWBX will carry both data and logic. So when we share TWBX with any client, if someone hacked the file, they can open and they can see the data as well. So there is a data theft. That's the reason Tableau itself claimed that desktop is not secure. So how can we protect our data? How can we make the data secure? The answer for this question is Tableau server. Here it comes into the picture. Tableau server, what it does exactly? Tableau server, which is into two types. One is Tableau server user base. Second is core base. Tableau server user base. It costs you $10,000. When you are buying Tableau server, paying $10,000, you will get 10 interactive users plus one Tableau desktop software lifetime. 10 users, interactive users. When we discuss about Tableau server, I will let you know what are the user types that Tableau server got, and say example viewer, editor, interactor. So we have so many users in Tableau server, but we need to, when we pay $10,000 for Tableau server, we will get the 10 interactive users plus one desktop user free. Because why they are giving one desktop user? Tableau server never extract the data like this. Here if you see, we are extracting data from the various data sources. So Tableau Server never do this job. It never extract the data. So we have to extract the data from the Tableau desktop, then we have to publish it to the Tableau server using server credentials here. We will sign in into the server and then we will publish the whatever dashboards, data sources that we extracted, and we will refresh the data sources or the extracted data sources are the published dashboards with the latest information by scheduling. So this is the a brief about Tableau Server user base. So if you want to buy 11th user, you have to pay for 11th user. You have to pay dollar triple nine. For every user, you have to pay dollar triple nine. So and every annum, you have to pay 20% for EMC. Sorry, for support and maintenance. And now coming to a point, what is core base? Core base, if you remember, we in terms of processor CPU, we have dual core, 4 core, 6 core, octa core, right? 4 core means quadra core. So Tableau sell a license, 8 core license. It cost you dollar 250 hundred thousands and 20 plus 20% support and maintenance additional every year. So what is the difference between Tableau user base and Tableau core license? Yes, this is only experienced people know this license cost, and because experienced people, they get involved in purchasing the licenses and everything, so they know that no differences between the various licenses and SLV service level agreements and all this stuff. This is very core information that if you put 4 years, 3 years experience, when you being a senior consultant in a company, you need to get involved all this license cost and everything. So that I'm giving you complete picture of about the license cost and everything in my blog. In my blog, you can find the license cost and the difference between these two things in detail. You just need to type here Tableau server license. So Tableau server security and authentication. So Tableau desktop and server license. These are discounted prices. These are discounted prices. What I am telling is that is official price. These are discounted prices. And the difference between Tableau server, if you want to know about difference between Tableau server and Tableau desktop, I got here complete information about even the differences. So you can go through these links, and here I published already Tableau server end-to-end installation and detailed explanation and the TS architecture. TS is nothing but Tableau server, not Telangana state. So Tableau server architecture, so everything is discussed in my blog. So core base license cost $250,000, and every year we have to pay 20% for support and maintenance and the total cost. And what is the difference between user base and core license? User base, it's by default you will get 10 users when you pay $10,000, and every user you need to keep add by paying $999. Here you can have unlimited users. You need not to pay user wise, but when you keep increase the users, maybe you need to buy one more 8 core processor, but you can't pay. But say example, 8 core processor can bear 100 users. For one user, you can't pay $250,000, right? So Tableau allow you to buy 2 core, 4 core, and 6 core licenses. Depends upon your requirement, and the cost is vary. 2 core is $49,000. It's $70,000. It is around $100,000. It's like that. So it depends upon your requirement. You can increase core processors. And one more important thing in the Tableau server is Tableau deals with even big data, huge amount of data, billions of the records, teradata of datas. But here, how can Tableau manage to deal with this huge information is using distributed environmental system. Using Tableau got distributed environment system. It means, say example, I got installed Tableau server on 8-core processor. Got it. So, and I just want to buy 2-core processor server as well. So I can pay money for 2-core processor license, but in terms of infrastructure, if I want to buy, it's very difficult for me. This is one-time cost. Every time you just need to pay 20% the support and maintenance, and that also, so we can have a negotiation with the Tableau guys. Even we have a Tableau head office in Bangalore. Recently they just started head office in Bangalore, and they started recruiting the people directly, for Tableau company itself, because Tableau started, even doing the projects in Tableau. So we have plenty of offers in Tableau head office. I got good contacts in Tableau head office as well, for because I used to buy the various licenses for my customers. Now, distributed environment system means if I buy 2-core processor server, I need not to get it involved in only one single infrastructure. Whichever system is empty in my office, I can start using those system as a one of the system. Like that, I can connect to the number of systems. Here we have a terminology. I will give a detailed explanation in coming classes. This is just brief about the products. Tableau got clusters. Cluster is nothing but a group of systems. Let's say example, we have 10 systems. 10 systems we'll call cluster. And for 10 systems, we can have a one gateway. So from this gateway, we will monitor all these 10 systems. We will come to know which is running, which is not running, which is intranet, which is not intranet, and everything. Got it? So if you have a huge amount of data to analyze, by Tableau server, you can connect, you can create number of clusters. Number of clusters means number of systems. And you can parallelly execute the data, huge data on all the processors, so that the time consumption of executing the huge amount of data is going to be very less, because it's a distributed environment system. We can distribute the burden of the huge amount of data onto the various processors using distributed environment system. I will explain you clearly about clusters, gateway, and even how this distributed environment system works, how we can add all these systems in the intranet while we are installing Tableau server. So this is the Tableau server brief. And the third product, we call it Tableau Online Digital. Tableau Online and Digital. So if you see, if you compare any cloud BI tools, they start minimum $250 to $6,000 per month. Having 100 GB space and 20 GB for your database and etc. Tableau Online Digital is nothing but a cloud environment. You can see combination of Tableau desktop and server on the cloud. Got it? So these are other technologies, other BI tools. Why the Tableau is capturing huge market? That is the difference. You just saw here, right? We need not to pay every year the licenses cost. You will get the Tableau, entire Tableau at cost of $2,000, and the entire server you can get at the cost of $10,000 for the medium and small companies for start. But here Tableau Online Digital, it costs you $500 per year with all the facilities whichever other BI tools are providing. $500 per year. So every company now it's just literally buying this as their one of the account. So companies are not caring about spending $500 to get the Tableau license, online digital license. So that is one thing. That's the reason it's capturing market heavily. It's overcoming even big tools. Now the fourth product is Tableau Public. Tableau Public, which is absolutely free for education. Anyone can download it, anyone can work on it. All the features will be enabled here. Only options means, say if you want to connect to the data servers, you can't connect. You can connect to the only Excel sheet and Access. That's it. You will be having access to either Excel sheet or Access. That's it. So it's absolutely free. So once you design dashboard and everything, if you want to save your dashboard, again you have to connect to the server, sign in the server. Here we got Tableau Public. Open the Tableau Public. When you click open the Tableau Public, it will ask you the username and password of the Tableau Public. Anyone can create this username and password at free of cost, and you can start publishing all this information online. See, and I will teach you guys once we are done with working with a dashboard. So we can share dashboards in two ways. One is we can share the executable file. Second one is this is one of our clients, HGH, Saudi German hospitals. It's like Apollo in the Middle East. So we can share the data like this also in the online. We can keep the data in the online. So we can check all the dashboards like this. So I can teach you how to get this done, how to make these views in the online. It is very simple. So we need not to do a lot of hard work to keep dashboards online. So I will let you know this also, guys, once we're done with creating dashboards. So that is Tableau Public, where you can see only Excel and MS Access. And the fifth product is Tableau Reader. So once we're done with creating dashboard, either giving extension TWB or TWBX, we need some software in place to open this file and interact with this. So those can be done. These can be done using Tableau Reader. So Tableau Reader like a PDF reader, which helps you to open the TWBX and TWB. And this software is absolutely free. Any customer can install this software to interact with their dashboards. So these are the various products that we have. Apart from the important topics that we will discuss in Tableau is so we will discuss basic to advanced concepts in Tableau desktop as well as Tableau server. Here This course is designed to provide you with the skills required to become a Tableau Power user. So by the end, it will be like 2 to 3 years experience guy, and I will share with you all the interview questions that we designed, well designed. Those are very popular, and most of the MNCs companies are using this document that designed by myself as a reference document for interviews. You just need to type Tableau interview questions. So here you can find my document. It's become now the reference document for all interviews. So this document created and designed by myself. So you will find all the interview questions. This is version 1. So it's got all the kind of interview questions that commonly asked and more interactive or innovative questions as well, or you can find over there. And I got version 2 that is there in my blog. You can find the interview questions in my blog. That is version 2. So here you can find the interview questions version 2. You can download here the document straight away. These are the interview questions that frequently asked and designed by myself. So you'll get all the kind of support from me, and I will give you sample resumes, and prerequisites for this is none as of now. So what all we going to be learn here is, at the end of the class you will build advanced chart types and visualization, build complex calculations to manipulate your data, works with statistical techniques, work with parameters and input controls. So you will be able to do all this stuff by end of this class. And this course will include extensive hands-on activities to reinforce the skills, knowledge and attained. So I will get you at that place by end of this course. And these are the topics. So I will share these topics with you. I think I already shared with you guys all this information. So we are going to be discussing all these topics in the Tableau server and desktop. And coming to the server, here, this is Tableau server. So we are going to be covering the complete basic installation of Tableau server, end-to-end installation, and like we discussed about distributed environment system. So Tableau server can have two things, primary and worker. How we can define the primary server and worker server, all this stuff can be learned here under this course. So this is complete course design from tomorrow onwards. So as I told, we have very important topics in Tableau is calculated fields. So I'm going to be starting with various aggregations. Second is calculated fields, parameters, sets, groups, actions, servers, setup. So these are the important topics that we have to be more focused. If you know creating calculated fields and parameters, so you're almost done with playing with most advanced charts. So in the sets, if you know the sets, you need not to write even a single calculated field for or ad hoc reporting systems. And the groups, which helps you to analyze the group level analytics. Actions, which enable you navigate from one dashboard to the another dashboard, one sheet to the another sheet. And server setup, which gives the complete knowledge about how to install the server and how to assign the users, how to publish and how to schedule the extractions and everything. So these are the complete information that we are going to be discussing in this course. And guys, now you can ask your questions. if you have any queries and if you have any doubts about Tableau, so I will start giving you answer.
Sir, Rajat here.
Rajatji, tell me.
So how do we can we download a Tableau application to practice on our laptop?
Yeah.
Which application do we need to download?
Yes, I forgot to tell something else. So entire Tableau products are available on Windows and Mac. There is no a single product on Linux. Okay, and every product available on 32-bit and 64-bit. So I think, hope you know the difference between 32-bit and 64-bit. Anyway, let me introduce that this 34 and 64-bit. So 32-bit means, so any operating system that support the maximum number of this. So since we are into the analytics, so when we are manipulating the huge amount of data, so if you get the number beyond this, it won't get displayed if it is 32-bit. So if you get a something like 64-bit means this is the maximum number you can manipulate in the operating system. So for when you are dealing with big data, I always suggest you to use 64-bit so that even the number is exceeded beyond the 32-bit. So you will get, if it is a 32-bit and the number exceeds that more than 32-bit, you will get the unknown numbers on your system. So you may think that is an error, but it's not that error. It's since it's a 32-bit, it can't support 64-bit numbers. Got it. So that is the difference. And all the products, all the dashboards, all the created dashboards can be viewed on tablets, mobile tablets, and they're not yet given any solution on smartphones. They're planning in future, but Tableau claims that all the dashboard that we are designing to find insights. So if it is a smartphone, it's very difficult to find insights on the smartphones because it's interactive dashboards. Customer end of the day need to interact with the dashboard. So mobile smartphones are very complex to interact with the dashboard. That's the reason they are not supporting any kind of things that on smartphones. But we have a mobile. We can view all the dashboards that we design on the mobile tablets. So this is a brief information. And Tableau software can be downloaded from the Tableau straight away. So I will let you know how to get 1-year license in coming classes after 2-3 classes. So here you can download first Tableau Public. I will arrange you the data sources for the practice. Tableau Public is absolutely free, and I will let you know how to save the files once you design dashboards and everything. In tomorrow class, I will show you how to save these files, created dashboards and everything. And for Tableau Desktop, I will let you know the way how to get the 1-year license. So any more questions, Aditi?
Okay. No, sir. That's it, I think.
Uday, hello. Yeah, it's very low, but I'm able to hear, but it's too low.
Yeah, we can hear, and I have a question.
Please, Uday.
You're saying some differences between the older versions of Tableau and the new versions of Tableau. You said in document the reason. So, is the document, but is it same in both?
Uday, can you type that because I'm unable to hear your voice?
Okay, I'll call you later. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine, absolutely. But yeah, so you are asking about difference between the Tableau server and desktop.
No.
Huh.
the previous versions of Tableau and the current versions of Tableau.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. I will give you answer over the phone. I'll give you a call right now. Okay.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
guys, and I will fix the time. I think we will start the class from Monday, 7:30 to 8 between 8:30. So I will reschedule and forward you the same link tonight.
Okay, sir. Sir, just one more question.
Please, Arjit. Yeah.
In Tableau Online Digital, do
Hmm.
we have any limit on like how many clusters we need to perform, or like how does the performance depend on Tableau Online Digital? Because
See,
considering we are paying only $500 per year, so will the performance be an issue in case there is a very large data?
now, Tableau Digital allow you to connect only few data sources: Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL. That's it. It never allow you to connect all the data sources. And the second thing is, it's you have to pay additional money to increase the performance.
Okay.
Okay, the entire Tableau is right now focusing on small medium industries because they want to capture all small medium industries as well as possible. So that's the reason they are going with very economical pricing.
Okay. Okay. Fine, sir.
Okay, Uday, for your question I will give you a call on your number.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day.